Alright, what's going up, guys? Today was supposed to be an unboxing, but, yeah. So these are 50 to 70 cc jets. It says 110 through 115, so I'm guessing there's point sizes too. But this is for the 50 to 70 cc, 80 cc depending on your sea level. So yeah. So here's this looks like a weed bag, right? Like, it's not just me. This is a weed bag. Like from a dispensary in Colorado. That's kind of shady, you know. Like, they still sell mid, you know. Okay, enough of these jokes. I'm gonna open this thing up. Okay, rip the top off. And here they are. Now, don't get me wrong. The bag is kind of low quality, but these look they look like they're intact. Let me get the little baggie open real quick. Okay, guys, there's a weed baggie inside the weed baggie. Like, I'm not crazy. That's a weed baggie. This is a bigger weed baggie. Look, it even has this is like the K2. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I just lost all of them. So yeah, here they are. They are very clean. Oh my goodness! If you guys saw how clean these were. You can see wow, that's huge. That hole is huge, dude. My jet's literally like a quarter of the size of that. So yeah, so these are the jets. The different size holes control the amount of fuel going into your carburetor. So as you saw that one, this one has a smaller hole. So yeah, these are your mains, and I'll be making an unboxing video of the pilots when they come. I'm not doing their needle, but these are all gonna spill. So,
oh my god.
Okay, so I just went and counted them. There's only 9 here, so I got skimped out of jet. Dude, he shorted me, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. They're all here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around and show you kind of like the sizing of the holes. Some being bigger, some being smaller. And this will fix all my problems, hopefully, after I get the pilot jets and I can finally tune it. The reason I got this particular set is it's for my generic carburetor, which is a real carburetor, but it's hard to explain. It's basically like a dumbed down version. It's still Mikuni, but it's a factory carb, so there's not a lot of adjustment. So the needle can't be adjusted, so I have to lift the needle up with washers, and the pilot and the main jet were really restrictive. So hopefully this will fix everything, and we can get to riding and doing wheelies. But I am going to put on the comments for the Amazon page, I'm going to put down that it came in weed baggies, because I was expecting a box. This is my biggest thing. I wanted a box to separate them all. You know, I'm paying $10, $6, whatever, for this. You'd think they would come in a box, not weed baggies. Oh well. Well, thank you guys for watching, and liking, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope you guys have a good day.